Assalamu alaikum. Today we will make sweet potato paratha. It is also known as shakarkan paratha, rattalu paratha. Sweet potatoes are very healthy and has so many vitamins. You definitely cook it and give to your children. They will love it. I had used here 3 to 4 big pieces of sweet potatoes. Clean, wash and take it. In a cooker, add sweet potatoes, add water and 1 teaspoon salt. Now boil it and take 3 whistles and close flame. Remove from water and let it cool down completely at room temperature. Now we will make the batter mixture. For that, take a pot, keep gas on medium flame, add 2 tablespoons oil. After oil gets hot, we will add 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 green chili finely chopped. Now we will add 7 to 8 curry leaves, 1 string of curry leaves I had used here, finely chopped it and put it, saute it for 1 minute. Now we will add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste to it and roast it for 1 minute continuously. After 1 minute later, keep gas on low flame. Now we will add our dry spices, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili flakes. Also add half teaspoon roasted coriander, cumin and red chili powder. Now make gas on medium flame and roast it for 1 minute continuously. After 1 minute later, put 1 cup finely chopped onions. Now roast it for 2 minutes till onion gets soft. Till onion gets soft, we will take 2 cups boiled potatoes and 2 cups sweet potatoes. Mash it nicely and keep ready for use. Onion gets soft. Now we will add all mashed potatoes and sweet potatoes to it. According to taste, we will add salt. I had used here 1.5 teaspoon salt. Mix it well nicely. Add half teaspoon chaat masala powder. Mix it properly for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame till all ingredients get mixed. Then close flame. Now add a handful finely chopped coriander leaves to it. Mix it well and let it get cooled down completely at room temperature. Now we will make our dough batter ready. For that, take 1 big plate parat. Put 2 cups all-purpose flour and 2 cups wheat flour. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon carom seeds. Now mix it nicely all ingredients first. Now add little water to it and make a soft dough. I had used here 1 cup plus 1/4 cup water. Knead it for 10 minutes. Now grease it with some oil. Now cover and rest it for half an hour to get rise. Mixture batter has been completely cooled down. Now take small batter and make a round shape balls like this and keep it in a plate. Make all balls ready and keep aside for later use. I will show you how to store parathas in freezer. We need 1 big carry bag like this. Use Ziploc bag. Keep aside. Take another carry bag and cut it in rectangular or square shape. We want single plastic sheets. One by one, we have to keep the plastic sheets like this and keep paratha on it. Again, we will keep the second layer of it. Now, after half an hour later, again knead the dough for 2 minutes nicely. Take some dry flour in a plate for dusting purpose. Keep aside. Now make a log of the dough. Make like this big log. Now we will make it pieces in equal shapes. Now take it and make it a ball shape like this. Convert it into a ball shape. Total 11 balls are ready. Take 1 ball and dip it in dry flour. Roll it in a small round shape like puri. Keep batter ball in middle and wrap it. Fold it and make a ball shape again like this. Now slowly press it with hand and make a flat shape like this. Now dip it in some dry flour. Now roll it slowly in a round shape like roti. Paratha is ready now. Take one flat plate like this and keep one plastic sheet on it. Now we will keep our paratha on it. Again we will put plastic sheet on it. Make same another paratha and keep on this plastic sheet. Again keep another cling film on it. Now take one big carry bag or ziploc bag, put our paratha plate inside in this carry bag and fold it ends like this. Paratha is ready now. Keep it in freezer for 20 days. Whenever required, remove it and fry it. Preheat frying pan for 5 minutes on medium flame. Put paratha for frying. Turn it after 2 to 3 minutes later. Now put 1 tablespoon butter on it. Again turn it, flip it. Again put 1 tablespoon butter on it. Turn it and now remove it. Sweet potato paratha is ready now. Remove it outside in a plate. Serve hot with sauce, curd, pickles. It's very healthy and delicious paratha. To watch our videos first, click on the bell icon. If you like my recipes, please click on the like button. Share it with your family and friends. And please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Delicious.